Let's look at preparing a new job for Abby. First, we'll need to create your client's annual report as a draft. So from the Abby dashboard, click on the Open in Xero button, and that will take you straight over to Xero. Once you're in Xero, you can generate your annual report and draft, making sure to update the report pack with the current year's dates. Next, you'll reconcile all your bank transactions as Xero as normal. From Abby, you can click Open in Xero, which will take you to the bank reconciliation screen to do this. Now, let's run depreciation. In Abby, click Open in Xero, and this will take you into Xero, where you can now run depreciation up to the end of the financial year. You will see there are two final sections. These are loans and finance leases, and create missing accounts. These both relate to your chart of accounts in Xero. So we can ensure the calculations and reconciliations are done correctly, these steps need to be complete. That is, updating the report codes for all loans and finance leases and checking the 3 listed account codes exist in the Xero ledger. Next, you'll add your shareholders. If they're not already showing in Abby, just enter their details. For existing shareholders, you can link them to ensure accurate reporting across companies. So for example, if Sally Smith is already a shareholder from another client, you can link her to this new client also. Moving on to mapping your chart of accounts. In Abby, you'll need to align your current account codes and descriptions from Xero. Abby automatically identifies most accounts, but you might need to do some manually. This step only needs to be done once, but we suggest you review these codes every year. Next, upload your client's ACC information for the reporting period. Log into your ACC account, access your client's timeline tab, and download the CSV file without entering specific date ranges. Save the CSV file on your computer, ready to upload into Abby. Now let's download the IRD reports by logging into your IRD tax agency. We'll start with the GST transaction report. In your client's GST account, click More, select Reports, and choose Transaction Summary Report. Adjust the date range to cover 2 years and perform a search. Then download the report and save it as an Excel file. You might like to rename the file. Next is the GST Return Summary Report. Click More, scroll down to Reports and choose GST Return Summary Report. Leave the date range as it is, search and export the report as an Excel file. For the Income Tax Transaction Report, under Income Tax, click More. Scroll down to Reports at the bottom of the page and choose Transaction Summary Report. Set the date range to cover the 2 years, search, download and save the report as an Excel file. If you need data beyond 2 years, you can always run additional reports for those periods. To get the Payroll Transaction Report, under Payroll, click More. Scroll down to Reports at the bottom of the page and choose Transaction Summary Report. Ensure the date range covers 2 years, then search, download and save the report as an Excel file. Lastly, to download the EMP Payroll Summary Report, in the Payroll section, click More, scroll down to Reports at the bottom of the page and choose PAYE Return Summary Report. Verify the period is correct for the financial year you are working on, then search and export it as an Excel file. If you have any other documents, such as an Excel file or PDF, that may help the reviewer, you can pop them into the Other Documents section. You will see this box in several places across Abby. And that's it. Now you've prepared your financial data and you're ready for Abby to do her magic.